yes. These are mine. I like her. Baby, this is not missing.
Yeah. You know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. Hey. Look.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Let's Begin, and today I will be reviewing colored contacts. Today I will be introducing Just4kira, and they have reached out to me to review some contacts to them. I don't know if you guys know that I actually do wear contacts. Man, I see who it is, but just know I wear contacts. Okay. So I had to ask them would they be prescription, and they said that they did, and I got to pick which colors that I want. Just want to double check to make sure that they got it correct. So I grabbed one of my contacts, and I just grabbed a random one out the box. It matched, and they come in these nice boxes, other box designs that they have as well, and it actually has their logo on it. You can see Just4kira, and they're pretty. Also come with these cute cases. I love it because it looks like a little tape recorder. You get like little tweezers, and this is going to help pull the contacts out. Really love this. I never seen this. I guess it's like a little suction thing. I did watch a couple of the reviews, and you just place the contact on, which is very great for people who don't want to use their fingers, or people like me who wear fingernails. So in the instructions, as I always wash my hands before and after. Also, they say that they want you to put your contacts in solution for at least 24 hours. So today is just prepping. I'm going to wash my hands, put each of the contacts in their cases. And then when I come back, I'm going to be trying them on and reviewing them for you guys. All right, guys, I am back. It has been 24 hours. I'm actually going to put them on the test because I didn't put my little nails on. So we're going to see if these utensils, you know, that they sent, really work. I want to start with the elephant in the room because it be getting so much motherfucking hate, and I don't know why. When I used to wear contacts, I'm going to insert a clip right here, my color contacts. I was wearing blue, okay? It's natural typical blue, and it's very pretty. It's given a grayish tint to it. You can get away with this. They feel comfortable. Let me put the other one in and come back. Yeah. Cause like, are y'all getting this? Wow. She is giving what's supposed to give. Very comfortable. This one was real soft. I kept trying to fold, but I got it right. No irritation. This one is not irritated. Look, honey. Hold on, y'all might have did so. Y'all might have get me back in my contact era. I don't give a fuck what the girlie said. They didn't lie about it being prescription. I can see. Like I had my prescription in and I have astigmatism. I can see clearly now. I don't want to take her out. Fire. Okay? They look real natural. Baby. Yeah, I sleeping on blue contacts. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to come back in the next one, okay? So if you're wondering why I got only one in, I can't find the other one. So I'm so sorry, Just4kira, don't kill me.
But this is Center Gray.
Just call her left eye. I love gray contacts. I'm going to have to find another contact because she's it. Do I like her better than Ira? I don't know. I ain't got them both in, but y'all get the picture, y'all. So this is Cynthia. Let's go to the next one.
Okay, since Cynthia was a bummer, I'll show y'all me putting it on as a bonus.
I just put it on here. Okay.
Like this.
Voila.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
I don't know if this is pronounced Asha. I didn't got no H in it, but this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Hold on. I knew she was gonna be a hit. Y'all, dare I not say that we be giving flack to color contacts and they be doing what they need to do? Cause let's just so this is the third one that I'm on. Out of all of them, you guys, this blends in well, doesn't she? These are mine. I'm trying to calm down. I was not expecting to like these as much. I mean, I used to be a color contact girl, don't get me wrong, but I've been kind of out of that phase, and plus I wear regular contacts daily, was supposed to anyway. I'm considering switching my prescription and getting colored contacts, or I'm gonna have to just keep ordering off Just4kira because baby, this is not missing. Wow, y'all, I can't feel them. I ain't gonna lie, I was skeptical. I can't feel them at all. Yo, no way. Nah, we running these back. Prepare to see me in a few of my wave videos with this on, cause she's giving. Ooh. I still got 3 more to do. Y'all, I do not want to take these out. Video over. Oh, okay. I'm gonna show y'all taking it out. So, bop, your eye open. Okay, you take these and don't be scared because they got plastic on them. This is Neela Green. Comfortable, very soft. I can see. I think this is pretty natural. Yes. This is one of their popular ones. This is why I picked it, because it was pretty popular and it looks real good on the girls. So next, this is what my 5th contact, y'all. Eyes are not red. They're not irritated. So they're still comfortable. And I can still see. I'm looking all around the room. This is bomb. At first, when I first put her in, I thought she was favoring the Neela Green a little bit. I mean, you can tell they cousins. But she just do something different. I like her. And we're going to go to the next one and the final one. Okay, y'all. This is my last one. This is called So Brown. I have a love-hate relationship with these. So if you notice, they look different. You would even say that this one still looks like my regular eye. So with So,
you gotta give her a little spin.
I still think she's cute though. To me, she favors Nola Brown. It's just down the bottom though and not at the top. So if you really like Nola Brown or you really like So Brown, you could get either or. She's pretty. She's natural. Overall, my favorite is Asha Gray. I like Era, then Neon Green, then Neon Brown. These ones. Then Cynthia. Y'all let me know in the comments below which ones do y'all like. I have a discount code for you guys. So here it is, right here. And I'm also leaving a link and probably in the comment section. Check out the description box. It will have the links to every contact that I have been wearing. I want to thank Just4kira for sending me these contacts. They are great. They are prescription and I will be still using these, okay? There also is a link to their website where you can find hundreds of different contacts that they have if you're interested as well. I think they are very brown girl friendly. It didn't take that long to ship. They do ship fast. So I ordered May 31st. They shipped it out June 1st. But you know, do the customs and then our mail people, I want to say like a week and a half. Always do your own research and reviews, you guys. Y'all can just type in Just4kira. They will pop up on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, probably TikTok. You can do your own research and reviews. I did my own research and reviews because I was a little skeptical at first before taking this, but they are great. Thank you guys. Until next time.